Hello, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm gonna show you how to update your Epson ET-1810 printer, and I'm gonna show you two ways how to do that, using mobile app and using web browser on your computer. Okay, let's start with the mobile application. So first let's just open Epson Epson Smart Panel. Just open Epson Smart Panel. Here you will see your printer, of course, and here just click on your printer. Cool. And here you will see firmware update. Cool. Here we have information about latest update. You can read this information, and then just click start if you wanna perform the system update, or as in my case I will click cancel just to show you how to do that using your web browser. Okay guys, so how to do that using web browser. So firstly you should open this web browser. It should be Chrome, Edge, Mozilla Firefox or something other. You can use any browser you want, just not Internet Explorer. Okay, enter your printer's IP address. If you don't know how to check your printer's IP address, you should watch our video about it and click enter. Cool guys, now we should log in to advanced settings. Cool, and here so sorry guys, it's not advanced settings, it's just basic settings, and here we have firmware update. So we just should press firmware update, but we can't do that without admin rights, so you should enter your admin password. If you don't know how to check your admin password, you can watch our video about it, but I can show you it even in this video. So to do that guys, you can just open this cover, and here you will see your serial number, right? You can see here your serial number, and you just should enter your serial number without the asterisk and using the lowercase or uppercase letters like in this serial number, right? Cool guys. So next, just input your password here. If you changed your password and you forget it, you can watch our video about how to restore your password. I recorded it several minutes ago. And cool. So now, as you can see, all items are blue. It means that I can change everything here, and I can even update my printer. So by clicking firmware update and clicking start, I can update my device. So wait for checking the firmware. As you can see, the following firmware is available. So click accept and click start. Wait for firmware update. It can take a long time, so I will speed up this video and you can just check how long it was using my time. Okay guys, it takes for about 3 or 4 minutes. So now we just should restart our page. And as you can see, we can input our password again. Click firmware update now, start. Checking for the latest updates. And as you can see, now I have the latest firmware. So that's it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. So like this video, subscribe to our channel, and of course leave me a comment below of this video. Thank you, bye, see you.